At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is Stargaze, the most comfortable chair in the campsite. With the unique auto-reclining system, just lean back and find yourself in the perfect lounge position. Dynamically suspended, this recliner swings fluidly like a hammock, offering you a relaxing sitting experience around the campfire under the stars. Re-engineered for even more stability and relaxation, this luxury recliner provides a lower center of gravity and extended fit range. After a long day on the trail, there's no better feeling than kicking back in the ultimate camp recliner. Walking down to the lake or an empty spot at the beach is a breeze with Stargaze's easy-to-carry, compact, and comfortable tote. And its intuitive 3-step setup takes less than a minute, so you can spend more time relaxing. Lines marked on poles and color-coded ferrules ensure a proper and secure setup. Stargaze's non-absorbent monofilament mesh is cool and breezy, yet strong enough to withstand years of sun exposure, and conforms perfectly to cradle your body. By simply shifting your weight, Stargaze auto-reclines with just the right amount of resistance to land in your perfect sitting angle, while an adjustable, padded headrest adds next-level comfort. The aircraft-grade aluminum suspension frame with custom-engineered hubs is the sturdiest camp chair support system out there. Stargaze sits close to the ground, offering unmatched stability and allowing you to swing smoothly on any surface, from sandy beaches to rocky, uneven terrain. An integrated no-spill cup holder keeps your beverages close at hand, and a perfectly sized stash pocket holds your phone or a favorite book. Stargaze packs up easily and includes a padded carrying case for snag-free, lightweight portability. Whether you're sitting around the campfire, at the beach, tailgating, watching your kid's soccer game from the sidelines, or just want to recline in the mountain breeze, Stargaze is truly the envy of the camp.
Get low. This iconic camping love seat is designed with a lower base. A relaxed, slightly reclined design allows you to get your fill of chill without towering over the campfire. Built for two, dogs welcome, the low love seat changes the game of camping comfort. A sturdy, powder-coated steel frame stands up to any campsite shenanigans, while durable fabrics and quilted backrests means comfort that lasts as long as you do, and then some. Adjustable armrests means you'll always find just the right angle for camp chillin'. Of course, we wouldn't want to leave your bevies out in the cold. Each adjustable armrest has an oversized insulated beverage holder, ready to receive everything from your favorite cold one to extra large water bottles and beyond. Use the included carry wrap to haul stuff around the campsite. It even doubles as a dog bed. Not that he'll need it. And when it's time to roll out, it all rolls up in a matter of seconds. The iconic low love seat from Kelty. Let's take this outside.
Hi, I'm Brett with Big Agnes, and I'm here to tell you about our Skyline Ultralight stool and chair. Weighing in at 1 pound and just over, the Skyline Ultralight stool and chair pack up small, assemble quickly, and give you the comfort you need to enjoy the backcountry spot you worked so hard to get to. The Skyline UL stool and chair feature a fully shock-corded, patented hubless frame design with simple setup and breakdown and compressed packability. The keyed frame on the ultralight chair and color coding on both ultralight chair and stool makes assembly easy enough for kids to help. Pre-bent pulls on the Skyline UL chair create a wider, more stable seat with a smaller footprint. Our Skyline stool and chair are made with ultralight nylon ripstop for extra tear strength, paired with high tenacity Robic yarn that is ultralight and 25 to 30% stronger than regular yarn in the same denier. The ultralight aluminum aircraft pull system and waterproof coating on the fabric make this stool and chair super durable and extremely strong. The Skyline UL stool weighs 1 pound 1 ounce on the trail, sits 15 inches off the ground, and supports up to 250 pounds. The Skyline UL chair registers at 1 pound 11 ounces trail weight, sits 15 inches off the ground, and has a 275 pound weight capacity. Both pack up incredibly small. While the rest of your crew is sitting in the dirt, you'll be reaping the reward of carrying that extra pound when you're relaxed to the max off the ground in superior comfort.
How to unfold and fold your Kelsyus original canopy chair. To unfold, first unfasten the buckle on the outside of the case. Then pull the legs apart until the chair is fully expanded. If you want to use the attached canopy, simply lift it up into position as shown, and attach the clasps on the 2 rear legs to secure the chair. To fold, detach the clasps from the 2 rear legs. Return the canopy to its down position, and then fold the legs together. Finally, wrap the case around the legs and fasten the buckle as shown.
Why is a rocking chair so universally loved? Because of the sense of total relaxation and stress relief it creates. The Freestyle rocker from GCI Outdoor is a portable rocking chair for all of your on-the-go adventures. With a patent-pending spring-action rocking technology, the chair rocks smoothly with its uniquely designed rock shocks. The Freestyle rocker provides a smooth and relaxing rocking motion on soft or hard terrains. The Freestyle rocker is constructed of sturdy powder-coated steel that supports up to 250 pounds. Other features are padded armrests and a convenient beverage holder. The Freestyle rocker folds up quickly and easily with patent-pending Easy Fold technology. Just pull up on the handle on the side of the seat to fold the chair. It has a convenient carry handle that lets you take this chair with you wherever you go. The Freestyle rocker is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, music festivals, watching sports, and any outdoor activity. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear.
The King Kong chair by ALPS Mountaineering has been a fan favorite for over 10 years. Our highest weight rated chair, the King Kong, has a beefy powder-coated steel frame with a generous seat width of over 24 inches. 3 large pockets keep your gear off the ground, and the 2 cup holders are a great feature for those summer days. Perfect for the campsite or your kid's soccer game, the King Kong easily folds up into its included carry bag.
Kijaro's Beach Sling chair, made from breathable ballistic mesh and diamond ripstop polyester fabric, sits on a rust-resistant frame and includes a detachable cushioned headrest pillow so you can kick back and relax all day. The Kijaro Beach Sling chair holds up to 300 pounds. Comes with 2 mesh cup holders, an attached strap closure for quick portability, a water-resistant detachable organizer that doubles as a convenient carry pouch when you're at the beach, and a built-in cooler and/or dry storage container that fits 6 12-ounce cans. With the Kijaro Beach Sling chair, you can keep your feet in the water all day long.